This video is for educational purpose. So please, if you are here and if you are new to this channel, welcome to OCHE'S Tech. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to copy or download someone's thumbnail and then recreate that particular thumbnail or modify that thumbnail like an artist, and then your video will start doing well. If you don't have money to pay an artist or a designer, a thumbnail designers to create a good optimized thumbnail for you, you can use this method in your video, and definitely your video is going to be performing well on YouTube. So if you are not getting views, all you need to do is to download this thumbnail, model this thumbnail, and then apply their those principles, and boom, your video will start doing well. Now let's head on to our YouTube and get the video link. So I'll proceed to my YouTube right away. Let's say I want to model this particular thumbnail. Let me scroll. Let's come to this down the creator. Let's say I want to model this particular thumbnail, zero view glitch, and then I want to create something similar, and I want to download this particular thumbnail. So what I'll need to do is to click on the three dotted line here, and then click share. When I click share, what I will need to do is to copy the link, and then when I copy the link, I will now head on to my Chrome browser. I'll head on to my Chrome browser, and then when I head on to my Chrome browser, on my Chrome browser, on the search bar, I will type YouTube thumbnail downloader. You can see it, YouTube thumbnail downloader. So what I need to do is that there are several links that pop up. You can click on any of them, but I prefer the first one, YouTube thumbnail downloader. You click on it, and then what you need to do here now is to put the video link on this thumbnail downloader. Once you put the video link is there. You click on get thumbnail images, and when you click on it, you are going to have the thumbnail in different sizes. The first one is HD 1280 by 720. You can download that one, the HD quality. You have the SD quality of 640 by 480, and you have the normal image quality of 480 by 360. So but I normally prefer the HD quality. So what you need to do is to click on download HD thumbnail image. Now when you click on this thumbnail, you are going to download it. When you download, okay, the image has been downloaded. You can see right now. Let me click on open, and definitely you see it on my screen. The image has been downloaded. Now what you need to do is that since you have this thumbnail, you are going to model this thumbnail. Please guys, don't download somebody's thumbnail and use it directly. All you need to do is to model this thumbnail, design it like an artist, or you copy like an artist, and not to just go and copy and paste, because this particular thumbnail that is created by Dan, he can sanction you, and then he can report your video. So you don't need to copy somebody's thumbnail directly. The essence of this video, like I told you, is for educational purpose, and it's for those of you that want to model people's thumbnail and then learn how to do it and recreate it. So you have to first of all download it, and this is how you download people's thumbnail. Like right now I can use this thumbnail directly, but that isn't good. That's not the purpose of YouTube. YouTube is about innovation. So thumbnail is very, very important. For those of you that doesn't have money to pay an artist, thumbnail is very, very important, because it is this thumbnail that gives viewers impression. If you have a highly designed thumbnail, optimized thumbnail, eye-catching thumbnail, definitely you are going to have clicks on your video. People will click your video. So that's why thumbnail is very, very important. If you don't have money to pay, you can do these strategies, model this thumbnail, recreate this thumbnail, and definitely YouTube will start recommending your video. If I've added value to you, or if you've learned something from this video, do give it a thumbs up. And in my next video, I'm going to show you how to recreate other people's video and monetize it on Facebook. Thanks for watching till this very moment. Do have a lovely day.